Garama Yana ya bami Yana ya This is just another chronicle of the comics. It's comical, it's the chronics of monocles and their foreheads and 3 eyes. We see fine like felines in a tree line. Ironic, we'll be coughing till we're in our coffins. We got words to worship and warships made of gold bricks, moved by a magical source, magnetic force that defies latitude and longitude. Ah shit, what's your attitude? This is the return of the original.
An angel with demons, a dreamer who remained real. Times I escaped to see my place where I live. My people been struggling, now we hustle just to get the most out of chances we have been lucky enough to win. Ancient storytelling for the new age, computerized influence combined with the knowledge passed down to the elders to the youngins. Let them all know that we coming 100 miles and running.
This is the sound of our people, our people, our people. Can you feel that love? Feel that love? Go on, sing it loud so they can hear you. Can hear you, can hear you. Way down low and up above, up above.
Ghost with a mic, fighting my demons in sleep tonight until God shows me the light. I pray for those before me to guide me with their stories, but why did they ignore me? Please help me in this life and start to bore me. My mind is driving me insane because I've witnessed way too much pain, but following the voices in my brain that take me to other places. The struggle is mine, so it's time to face it.
Old saying, singing through the cold breeze. Better focus on that dopamine. Serotonin soaking in, with my third eye opening. Yeah, I be healing on my broken ends. I'm feeling through my open glands. They be thinking they can take this land, but that's the problem. They be thinking, but we know, and so we make a stand. And now we holding down these ancient lands, where the old fellas handing down the sacred dance.
Yeah, we the highest frequency, elegancies I can't even see. But still we know it in the mic, you know we're shaded free. I ain't got no negativity, bones alone on the surface. As you know, I sit back and know I move atoms like stones. I can see the memories of dust into the page. Stop the balance in an age and no escaping from the page. I seen something standing on the heels of terminology. Factors here employed as I walk with psychology.
This is the sound of our people, our people, our people. Can you feel that love? Feel that love? Go on, sing it loud so they can hear you. Can hear you, can hear you. Way down low and up above, up above.
Stand on the shoulders of giants. I'm on another level, my soul passed down from the stars' alignments. Medicated from the silence, thinking thoughts that defy science. Adapt to any climate, I'm from an environment where I strive for triumph, don't know till you try it. Life serving the platter these days, but you can't buy it. My aim is to break from the confinement and search this earth's horizons. My pupils widen at the prize, it's my main goal to stay grinding. The culture of this land, it keeps us binding. The world spins and stays winding.